Good day all. I want to demonstrate how you can run the mushroom classification app using flask and also using Streamlit Cloud. The mushroom classification model is used to classify mushroom species based on whether they are edible or poisonous. This is important because if someone eats a poisonous mushroom, it can lead to side effects such as nausea, vomiting, cramps, or diarrhea. So important that those who love eating mushrooms have these facts. First, let me show you how you can run the model, the mushroom classification model using flask. First, you have to tune up the server, and then you have to send the data to the server for it to send you back your response, whether it's edible or poisonous. It's like the REST API. That's how flask runs. Now, I've already peeped into my virtual environment. As you can see, I'm into the mushroom classification virtual environment. To know how to do this, you can check the directions on the mushroom classification app GitHub repo. Now, what I'll do is, as I put it into my virtual environment, I'll call this command gunicorn. Gunicorn is already installed in the directory. I'll call gunicorn, then you bind it to port 9696 on the local machine, and then you call the predict script to run the app. So when I do it, when I click enter, you see that the server is now running and it's listening at port 9696 on my local machine. Now what I do is I'll send data to the server that is already running. So I open up another terminal. Now you can see that we are on the virtual environment still in the second terminal. I've already pipenv into the virtual environment using pipenv shell. Now I'll run the script that sends data to the server. You can see it has already given us a response that the species is poisonous. So that's how to run the flask app. Now I'll show you how you can run the Streamlit Cloud app. Just go to the bottom of the repo. You see the link for the Streamlit app. The link is in blue, called Mushroom Classification Streamlit app. You right click it and you take you to the Streamlit app. Here, the Streamlit app. Now the information is given in tabs. We have the about the model tab, the predict tab, and the test data tab. For the test data tab, to make it flexible for you to test the model, I've provided several mushroom species. So, and I've even given a ground truth. For each species, the ground truth is either a 1 in the class variable. It's either a 1 or 0. If it's a 1, it's an edible species. If it's a 0, there is a poisonous mushroom. So you can use the ground truth to compare against the prediction of the model. What you do is just take the features of each species, go to the predict tab, and you will see radio buttons where you can key in the features of the values of each feature. For example, I've already keyed in bruises as node default. Then let me change it to bruises. Odor, let me change it to creosote. And then gill spacing, I'll change it to close. Then I'll leave the rest as they are. Then you come downward, you see this check choosing features button. It's for you to check that the features you enter are correct. The features you entered are correct as when you did them. You can see that bruises is bruises, odor is creosote as I change it, gill spacing. Now when you see that the features are correct, you now go to the predict mushroom species. Now you send the data to the model. When you set data to a model, it gives you the precision that the motion species is poisonous. So that's how to test the Streamlit app. It tests the model on the Streamlit app. I hope you do find this useful. Thank you very much and have a great day.